Good morning, everyone. I'm MANIKANDAN VAIRAVAN NACHIAPPAN, metric number CD220021. So today I will start our project with our introduction. So the product we selected for our project is aluminum cans. So let's have an overview of the product. So aluminum cans are very useful in community that are mostly packaged for food, drinks, and also other commodities. So now wherever you go, example for Coca-Cola, any kind of drinks you can see in aluminum cans. Aluminum cans are very usual nowadays. Why? Because they are strong, light, and non-corrosive. We can't choose other metals like steel and other stuffs because steel can easily get corrode. And for there is another plus point for these aluminum cans because they are widely used and they are guaranteed products safety as long shelf life. So aluminum cans are popular option for both producers and customers due to the improved recyclability. Aluminum cans are, yeah, it's true. Aluminum cans can be recycled and it's easy to transport and also visual appeal. So for the consumers and also the producers, it's a two-way part of making money for them. So if they do in a large production, so we can get in a low price.
Hello and good day, sir. My name is Jun Lim Jiaji, metric number DD220050, and I'll be presenting the problem statement. The first problem statement is what are the problem or issues of manufacturing process on the selected existing product or parts. So the product selected is an aluminum can, and the current issues are high energy consumption in aluminum production, significant greenhouse gas emission and waste, expensive raw materials, and recycling logistics. So in this project, our aim is to propose a manufacturing process that can produce aluminum can that avoid these issues. The second problem statement will be, can you elaborate the relationship of sustainable elements of the selected manufacturing process? The concept of closed-loop manufacturing process, which will later be detailedly explained by my group mates, can help save 95% of production energy, cut emissions, and of course, the lightweight design will lower the transport costs. Lastly, high recyclability drives a circular economy.
Well, we will continue with the objective part. So our objective in this project is about three, so which we want to achieve in the future, which is to offer a thorough review of aluminum cans and their roles in the modern packaging, analyze and compare at least two distinct production methods for aluminum cans. Besides that, to access the sustainability of industrial process, considering environmental, economic, and social considerations. And also, we are trying to achieve the level of proposed changes and ideas for optimizing production operations, which means we want to make it more faster. The production, if like the example is around to make a can is maybe around 20 minutes per can, we want to reduce the time to 10 minutes or 15 minutes so that we can make a more mass production. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, it's me again, and now I'll be presenting the detailed explanation of the selected product. As mentioned from the beginning, the selected product is aluminum beverage can. The specification and the material of our product is set after studying the existing product on the market. For example, like 100 plus can, Coca-Cola can. The height of the aluminum beverage can is set to 122 mm. The diameter of it is set to 66 mm, and the wall thickness is set to 0.1 mm. For the base of the aluminum can, it was designed to have a concave shape for pressure resistance. For the material, 3104 aluminum alloy is set for the body of the aluminum beverage can due to its excellent strength to weight ratio. Next, 5182 aluminum is set for the lid of the beverage can. Lastly, the internal part of the aluminum beverage can is covered with food grade epoxy coating. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, good day. My name is Iminji, and now I will present about the manufacturing process to produce aluminum can. So the first manufacturing process is drawing and ironing process because it is a highly efficient process and suitable for mass production. So the first step of drawing and ironing process is blanking. A large sheet of aluminum alloy are fit into a blanking press, and a circular blank are punched out with minimal material waste. The second step is drawing, which the blank is deep drawn into a shallow cup shape using a drawing die, and then the third step is ironing, which the shallow cup is forced through a series of ironing rings under high pressure. The fourth step is trimming, which the excess material at the open end of the can is trimmed to achieve a uniform height. The fifth step is drawing and drying. The can body is cleaned with an alkaline solution to remove any lubricant and residues from the manufacturing process, and then the clean can are dried thoroughly. The sixth process is coating, which a food-grade epoxy coating is applied into the interior to prevent the chemical interaction between the aluminum and beverage, and then the exterior is coated for protection and prepared for high-speed printing. And then the seventh step is necking, which the upper part of the can is reshaped to reduce the diameter to enable to securely hold the lid. And the 8th step is the can inside and outside inspection, where the exterior is checked for the scratch, and then while the interior is inspect for cleanliness and uniformity of the exposé coating. And the last step is lid assembly, which the separately manufactured lid is attached to the can body using double seaming technologies. Now I will continue with the advantages of drawing and ironing process. So the first advantage is high efficiency, which it can produce hundreds of can per minute, which ideal for mass production. And the second one is it can ensure the uniform wall thickness and precise dimension. The third one is the lightweight design, which minimize the transportation cost and energy consumption. And the last one is the cost effectiveness because of the high-speed automation and material efficiency for large-scale production. And for the application, the first one is beverage industry, which manufacturing the aluminum cans for carbonate drinks or juices, and also for the food packaging, which container for food products.
Okay, my name is HAZWAN, HAMID, and the metric is CD22063. So today I will explain the impact extraction process, which this method used to make a strong aluminum cans that don't leak. This can often used for things like aerosol or food storage because they are seamless and durable. So the first step is preparing the aluminum slug, which is small round piece of aluminum. The slug is cleaned to remove any dirt and coat with a lubricant. This lubricant helps the next steps go smoothly by reduction of friction. Once the slug is ready, it's placed into a die, which is like a mold. Then a punch hits the slug very hard, shaping it into the body of the can in just one stroke. This step is super fast and give the can its basic shape. After the can is formed, we trim off any extra material at the upper end. This makes the edge even and smooth so that the can looks neat and is ready for further processing. Next, the can are heated in a process called annealing. Hitting them help remove any stress caused by a punching step and makes the can stronger and more flexible. This step is important because it ensures the can won't crack under pressure. After heating, the can are truly clean to remove any dirt or oil inside a food safe. Coating is applied to protect the contents and prevent the aluminum from reacting with whatever is stored inside the can. Finally, every can is inspected carefully to ensure there are no defects. Once the inspection is done, the can are ready to be packaged and sent to the customer. Okay, now let's talk about why the impact extrusion method is so effective and its key advantages. First, strength and durability. The seamless design of this can make them much stronger and more resistant to impact and leaks. This is especially important for products like aerosol where the content are under pressure. Next is efficient production. The single stroke process means this can manufacture very quickly, which help reduce production time and meet high demand. Another advantage is consistent in quality. The process ensures that all can uniform in size and shape. This reduces the chance of defects, so fewer cans are wasted. Lastly, the process is cost effective because the entire aluminum slug is used during forming. This very little material waste compared to the other method. This save money and make the process more sustainable. Now let's look at some of the applications of this can. One common use is for aerosol cans, such as those used for deodorant, hairspray, and cleaning agents. This can need to be strong leak-proof and be able to handle internal pressure, making them ideal for this process. Another application is specially beverage cans, such as those used for energy drink or limited edition beverage. These cans are designed to stand out while maintaining the strength and quality needed to protect the drink inside. So as you can see, the impact extraction is not only efficient and cost effective, but also creates products that are widely used in everyday life. Okay, now I will be explaining the hydro forming process, which is used to create intricate shape and custom design from aluminum. Unlike the impact extrusion process, this method is not typically used for standard beverage can, but is perfect for more complex design. So first, we start with a blank preparation. This means cutting a flat aluminum sheet or disc to the correct size. This blank will later be shaped into the desired design. Next is die placement. The aluminum blank is placed into a forming die which acts as a mold for the final shape. Now comes the key step, which is high pressure fluid application. High pressure water or hydraulic fluid is applied to the blank. This pressure forces the aluminum to conform to the shape of the die. The result is detailed and precise design that will be difficult to achieve with other methods. After the aluminum is shaped, we move to trimming and shaping. Any excess material is trimmed off, and further shaping is done if necessary to perfect the design. So finally, the cans go through coating and plating, which is the can are cleaned to remove any residue. A protective epoxy coating is applied inside to make the can safe for their contents. And lastly, on the outside, the can are decorated with branding or design, making them ready for use. Okay, now that we have covered how the hydroforming process works, so let's talk about its advantages and where it's used. First, let's look at the advantages. One key benefit is ability to create complex shape. This process allows for intricate and detailed design that help products stand out in the market. It's perfect for unique and eye-catching containers. Another advantage is uniform wall thickness, which is the process ensure that the material stay even throughout the product, which improves durability and strength. Next, the hydroforming process also creates less material stress because the aluminum is shaped using fluid pressure. The stress on the material is reduced, lowering the chance of the defect. Lastly, is offer design flexibility. This means the process can be customized to create design that meets specific branding or product needs, making it ideal for premium or personalized product. Now let's move on to the application of hydroforming. One method is used in specialty beverage container. For example, premium drink like craft beers or unique soda flavor often require container that look as special as the product itself. Hydroforming allows brand to achieve this. Another application is cosmetic packaging, which is high-end cosmetic products such as luxury lotion or perfume often require elegant and packaging to match their premium image. Hydroforming provides the precision and design flexibility needed to achieve this beautiful design. In summary, the hydroforming is perfect for products that need complex shape, consistently quality and customer design. This makes it valuable method for industry looking to create something truly unique. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is KANG and I will present the result and for our group project. This is the comparative analysis of our manufacturing process. So first of all, in terms of application, drawing and ironing is for high volume beverage can. Impact extrusion is for seamless container for aerosol, and hydroforming is for specialty container with unique shape. In the aspect of practicality, drawing and ironing is for mass production with precision. Impact extrusion is efficient for specialized product. Hydroforming is ideal for complex and custom design. In terms of economy, drawing and ironing is cost effective for large-scale production. Impact extrusion is only economical for low to medium production run. Hydroforming is higher cost due to the specialized equipment is used. In terms of social, drawing and ironing is affordable and accessible beverage packing. Impact extrusion is enhanced convenience and healthcare outcome. Hydroforming is differential product with aesthetic and functional appeal. In the last aspect, which is environmental, drawing and ironing is efficient material use but energy intensive. Impact extrusion is minimum waste and integrated recycled material. Hydroforming is environmental friendly with reduced waste and energy use. Next, for the improvement in sustainable element in manufacturing process, we can adopting renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power in drawing and ironing process. We also can increasing the use of recycled aluminum in production line. In the impact extrusion process, we can improving the efficiency of the hydraulic or mechanical press, which can further lower energy consumption. For the hydroforming process, we can advancing fluid recycling system and adopting more sustainable hydraulic fluid, which can mitigate environmental concerns. We also can design multi-purpose diet and equipment reducing the need of frequent replacement of diet. We also can promoting the use of life cycle assessment, which can help identify area for further improvement in energy efficiency and waste reduction.
In a nutshell, I would like to say that the study of aluminium cans demonstrate the sustainability through recyclable materials and energy-efficient manufacturing process. Evaluating mass batch and small-scale production methods highlights their adaptability and minimal environmental impact. The findings emphasize that importance of sustainable practices in manufacturing is reduced and ecological footprint and enhance overall benefits. Thank you.